How to add admin on a Facebook page in PC. Adding admins to your Facebook page using a computer gives trusted individuals access to help manage your page, post content, engage with followers, and keep your online presence active and responsive. So basically, these are the few steps that we are going to do in order for that to happen. So we are going to switch first to that particular Facebook page that we are going to want to add an admin to. Now that I'm here, the next thing that I'm going to do is just click the professional dashboard. And here we're going to want to scroll down until we see page access. After clicking page access, you're going to want to see here people with Facebook access. We're going to add a new one. We're going to click next, and we're going to search that particular person's name and email. Say for example, in my case, I'm going to use their name, right? And give access. And then from here on, you can just type your password and then click confirm. All right, there you go. So invitation is going to expire in 30 days if that particular person is not going to accept it. But yes, congratulations everyone. That is how you're going to add an admin on Facebook page using your computer. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.